Quick update here on the 1931 Deluxe Roadster refresh project. I am still working on the front end here. I'm waiting for a steering wheel puller in order to pull the steering box and replace it with the rebuilt one. I've got most of the front end back together. The new drums are on. Just need to hook up the tie rod and drag links, and then we're good to go on there. And I'm back to the engine. So this has been back from the shop for 2 months now. And just a lot of life got in the way with work and personal stuff, but I'm off work this week for Thanksgiving, and I hope to get this thing farther along. Won't get it finished, but I'll get it farther along. So today's project is to lap the valves. So I've got all the stuff to do that. I'm going to go ahead and use my thread chasers to clean out all of the threaded holes for the studs on the head, and then also on the manifold side here. And then I'm going to scrub it down real good before I start fitting things together. So just a quick little recap here. The number 3, which will be right here, was tore up pretty significantly. And what we ended up doing is boring it 20 over. And hopefully you can see the hash marks there. Machine shop looks like they did a fantastic job. And hopefully we have enough clearance to avoid what we had before. We're pretty sure the cause of the number 3 getting scored like that was that it didn't have enough clearance, and then it got hot due to the bad radiator on the car and probably me driving it a little too hard. So we've got the block mostly painted up, a little bit of touch up to do on it, but I'm pretty happy with the way it looks right now. And we'll go ahead and get started. And I just want to thank everybody for their continued support of the channel. Still getting the hang of this thing. Hope you enjoy it. And looking forward to having this car back on the road when it gets sunny again and warm and more appropriate for a roadster. So thanks again, everyone. Have a great day. Okay, first time lapping valves. Let's see how we do. We're going to go ahead and start with number 1, and this is an exhaust. All right, we'll wipe it off and see what it looks like. Much more cleaned up than previously. All right, for the second one, which is our intake, trying to show you what it looks like right now. Got a lot of carbon and whatnot. By the way, we're using Permatex valve grinding compound. You can see the tone changes once it grinds a little bit. Right there. Let's see how we did. I feel like we're going to do a little bit more on this one just because the valve's got a couple spots. I don't know if you'll be able to see them or not. Almost there. Putting the paste right on the valve this time. Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah. I think that'll do the trick. Let's clean her off and take a look. Much better this time. You can see, hopefully you can see. All right, now just to repeat it 6 more times. All right, I've lapped all 8 of the valves. They look pretty good. This isn't a full rebuild. This is just a refresh, so I think I did all right with it. Didn't want to overdo it. So right now, next step is to basically take the valves back out, clean them very good, clean down the entire block to make sure there is no residue left on it. And then next step after that is assembly. Looking forward to it. I just want to take a minute to thank everyone who has been watching these videos and contributing, asking questions, giving me tips, just letting me know that you're out there, liking, subscribing, all the fun stuff. It really means a lot to me. I'm still getting the hang of this YouTube thing, but I wanted to share my journey here as I'm learning as I'm doing. I've been able to consult a lot of knowledgeable people to get some tips and tricks, but I really, really, really appreciate all the knowledgeable people here in the YouTube community for let me know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, or just words of encouragement, or even the haters. I like it when you guys comment too. So thanks a lot, everyone. Have a great day, and happy Thanksgiving.